Greetings to one and all. Friends, ನಾವು ಕಳೆದ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡಿನ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನು ಸಹ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ಇವತ್ತು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಯುಯಿಟಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡರ್ ಆನ್ಯುಯಿಟಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ as well as capitalization of super profits method anta nodidre, there is only one additional thing that you people need to understand. The first few steps remain the same as you have done it in super profits method. ಬಹುಶಃ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಡೆಯದಾಗಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಟುಡೇ ಲೆಟ್ us proceed further and try to learn annuity method with regard to valuation of goodwill as well as capitalization of super profits method with regard to valuation of goodwill. Friends, let us proceed further and try to learn these two methods under valuation of goodwill. Friends, let us proceed further. Friends, now this is the problem that I would be discussing today. Let us see what the problem is about. The net profits of a company after providing for taxation for the past 5 years are rupees 78,000, rupees 82,000, rupees 88,000, rupees 93,000 and rupees 99,000. Fine. ಕಳೆದ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Fine. The average capital employed in the business is rupees 8 lakhs. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗಮನಿಸಿ, he is directly given average capital employed on which a reasonable rate of return of 10% is expected. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 10% is normal rate of return. Keep that in mind. Friends, it is expected that the company will be able to maintain its super profits for the next 5 years. ಇದೊಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now what does he expect us to do ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, calculate goodwill. Fine. Under 3 methods ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is on the basis of annuity of super profits. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Taking the present value of annuity of 1 rupee as rupees 3.78. ಅಂದ್ರೆ annuity value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Friends, the last step is the only different step. Now super profits ತನಕ same as we discussed in the previous session. ಈಗ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸದ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಮೇಜರ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ, ಅದು ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ 5 years purchase of super profits, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, now let us proceed further and try to learn valuation of goodwill under these 3 methods. Friends, let us proceed further to solve this problem. As I said, the first few steps remain same. In fact, the steps till the calculation of super profits remain the same. Step 1, as we have discussed in the previous class, it is calculation of adjusted profits. Friends, in this particular problem, we need to first check if there are some adjustments. In the entire problem, there is no need for any adjustments because there are no adjustments as such. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Hence, this itself is the adjusted profits. That is, the profits given in the question itself shall be treated as adjusted profits. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ನೇ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ us write here calculation of adjusted profits ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ first year profits as it is given. How much is the first year profits given? 78,000. We can write it as it is, rupees 78,000. Now the second year profits saha ide. Second year profits is 82,000. Please write second year profits of 82,000. Now third year profits given in the question is rupees 88,000. We shall write that as well. Now fourth year profits no saha barkoli. Fourth year profits is rupees 93,000, and the last year, that is the 5th year, profits is rupees 99,000. Friends, I have written these 5 years profits as it is, and this itself is the adjusted profits. The reason is there are no adjustments. Friends, let us proceed to step 2, which is calculation of average adjusted profits. In my previous session, I have said that you need to check the trends of these profits. ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ 5th ಇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. 78,000 ಇಂದ 82,000ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 82,000 ಇಂದ 88,000 ಇದೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್. 88,000 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 93,000 ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದೆ. 93,000 ಇಂದ ಮತ್ತೆ 99,000 there is an increasing trend. If you see the pattern, there is a continuous increasing trend. ಇಂತಹ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು weighted average profits ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Keep that in mind. Please don't forget. When you see there is an increasing trend in the profits, you have to certainly use weighted average profits. Now let us calculate average profits. Average adjusted profits is equal to, as I said, you have to use weighted average method. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the weights. That is 78,000 into 1. 1 is the weight assigned to first year. Now ಎರಡನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ weight assigned is 2. Therefore 82,000 into 2 plus third year 88,000. As I said, the weight assigned is 3 plus fourth year ge 93,000 into the weight assigned is 4 plus 99,000 for the 5th year, and the weight assigned is 5. Friends, now this is how you have to calculate the weighted average profits. Friends, hope I am clear in this regard. You can put brackets so that you can have no confusions. Friends, let us try to simplify. Now what would be the denominator ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, the total of the weights assigned. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ಅಂತ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, weights ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Now the total of all these weights shall be the denominator. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. Friends, the total, as I said, is the total of the weights. Let me try to put the denominator now. Now the total of the weights shall be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Friends, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you would get 78,000 into 1, that is 78,000. 82,000 into 2, 1,64,000. 2,64,000 is 88,000 into 3. 93,000 into 4, you will get 3,72,000. 99,000 into 5, 4,95,000. And the total of the weights 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 shall give us 15. Okay, now the total of the numerator 13,73,000. Kindly check. Now the denominator would be 15. Now if I could further simplify this, I would get rupees 91,533 as your average adjusted profits. Friends, hope I am clear. ಇಲ್ಲಿ weighted average profits method na follow ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The reason is profits are continuously in the increasing trend. Friends, ಇದಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ let us proceed further to step 3. Friends, now let us proceed to capital employed. Kindly note, in this particular problem, question ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವನು average capital employed ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Hence, I would merge the third and the fourth step. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಆವರೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್, Step 3 was capital employed. Step 4 was calculation of average capital employed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ average capital employed ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾರಣ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 3 ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 3 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ calculation of average capital employed. And again I repeat, there is no need for us to calculate. The reason is the average capital employed is directly given in the question. How much is the average capital employed given in the question? 8 lakhs anta kottidane, adanna illi barkotini. Friends, I am done with step 3. Now moving ahead, step 4. Step 4, I need to calculate something called as normal profits. Calculation of normal profits. How to calculate normal profits ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Normal profits is equal to average capital employed into normal rate of returns. That is average capital employed into normal rate of return. Friends, you all know the formula. You should certainly remember these formulas. Now average capital employed given in the question is rupees 8 lakhs. I would write that. Now into, now normal rate of return question alle kottidane 10% anta. I will multiply with 10% as given in the question. Idanna nanu simplify madidre you would get rupees 80,000. Friends, the calculation of normal profits is also done. Let me proceed to step 5 now. Friends, now step 5 is with regard to calculation of super profits. Now you all remember the super profits calculation. Now the formula which I had given was average adjusted profits minus normal profits. Okay, I would calculate this. Friends, if I could simplify it further, average adjusted profits was calculated by us in step 2, that is 91,533. I would write that amount 91,533 minus normal profits just now we calculated at rupees 80,000. I would write that amount as well. Now if I could simplify it further, I would get my super profits at rupees 11,533. Hope I am clear in step 5, that is calculation of super profits. Friends, let us now move ahead and try to see what step 6 is all about. Now step 6 is actually calculation of goodwill. Now friends, kindly concentrate here. Now in this particular problem, goodwill needs to be calculated under 3 different methods, but the base is super profits. Idu clear ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? Now super profits ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ the base is already clear. Now only thing that you need to do is calculation of goodwill. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. Under 3 methods you need to calculate. Again I repeat, for all these 3 methods the base is super profits. Friends, super profits bandre nimage it is just one step away from calculation of goodwill. Adu hege annodannu nodona. First the question asks us to calculate the goodwill on the basis of annuity of super profits, and annuity value ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ? rupees 3.78. Friends, now I will write here calculation of goodwill. Now step 1 annuity method ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. I will calculate it under annuity method. Now under annuity method, calculation of goodwill is equal to super profits into annuity value ashte. See, as simple as it is, the formula is pretty simple. Valuation of goodwill is equal to super profits into annuity value. Friends, you have just now calculated the super profits at rupees 11,533 into annuity value which is given in the question as rupees 3.78. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ into rupees 3.78. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಟ್ rupees 43,595. Friends, this is how you calculate goodwill under annuity method. Friends, annuity method ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಟು ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ annuity method? Value of goodwill or valuation of goodwill is based on the product of super profits and annuity value. Andre the formula is goodwill is equal to super profits into annuity value, and vanity value would be given in your question itself. Super profits jotege idana multiply madidre you would get the value of goodwill. Friends, now that we have understood annuity method, let us see what is the second method of valuation of goodwill in this particular problem. Now illu saha he has asked us to calculate goodwill on the basis of capitalization of super profits. Already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, super profits is the base. ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Now again, just like annuity method, only the last step differs. Valuation of goodwill is based on capitalization of super profits. ಅಂದ್ರೆ only the last step, that is value of goodwill, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, capitalization of super profits ge there is one formula which I am going to give you now. Value of goodwill is equal to super profits divided by normal rate of return. Of course, because it is in case of a percentage, I would multiply with 100. Again I repeat the formula, super profits divided by normal rate of return into 100. ಯಾಕೆ into 100 ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ into 100 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Again I repeat, value of goodwill is equal to super profits divided by normal rate of return into 100. When we substitute with the amounts, super profits ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 11,533 divided by normal rate of return, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 10% ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ divided by 10 into 100. Friends, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you would get rupees 1,15,330. This is how you will calculate goodwill under capitalization of super profits. Friends, hope I am clear. Again I repeat, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್. ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇಂಟು 100. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ದಟ್ he has asked us to do is on the basis of 5 years purchase of super profits. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಳೆದ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is the third one, purchase of number of years of purchase. Number of years of purchase of super profits. This is the method which I discussed in my previous class. Hope everybody remembers that as well. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Value of goodwill, the formula last class ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, is equal to super profits into number of years of purchase. That's all. Now idu hege? Super profits you have already calculated, that is rupees 11,533 into number of years of purchase 5 anta kottidane. Now hage barkolana. If you could take the product of this, you would get 57,665. Friends, that is how you calculate goodwill under number of years of purchase of super profits. Friends, ಇವತ್ತು 3 methods of valuation of goodwill ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. That is annuity method, capitalization of super profits method, again number of years of purchase of super profits method. Friends, kindly note, for all these 3 methods, the base is super profits. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. That is calculation of adjusted profits, step 1. Step 2, calculation of average adjusted profits. Step 3, calculation of capital employed. Step 4, calculation of average capital employed. Step 5, calculation of normal profits. Step 6, calculation of super profits. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾನರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ನಾವು ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್. ಆನ್ಯುಟಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ super profits into annuity value. Capitalization method idre I have given you a formula, super profits divided by normal rate of return into 100. Now if it is number of years of purchase that you are well aware of, super profits into number of years of purchase. Friends, this is the discussion with regard to valuation of goodwill under different methods. Friends, hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for your patient listening. Again, I urge each and everyone to work out lot more problems under these methods. Thank you all for your patient listening. Signing off from you, Dr. Sairam.